Hey everyone, it's Josh or the Hammond Caver, and I have a new light to review. It just came from China. It came via DHL. They shipped this out on Saturday, September 17th, and it arrived today, which is Tuesday, September 20th. Very, very quick, and we're going to dive right in and get this box opened up. All right, and so no doubt you've all seen Kevin and Teresa share a lot from Wisdom about the new upcoming Aurora Pro flashlight, and that is exactly what is in here. So we're gonna go ahead and carefully cut this box open. Everything always comes from Wisdom very carefully packaged, very carefully wrapped. This is my first time actually getting into this box. I have not actually seen the light in person. And to be honest with you, the box is a lot smaller than I thought. And basically all that's in it is the packing material and the box that holds the light itself. Alrighty, here we go. It is an engineering sample, and it is the Wisdom Aurora Pro flashlight. First thoughts is it is a very heavy box. All right, so we have inside a very unique plug. Actually looks to be like a Chinese style plug, which I do not have. I'll have to get an adapter for this, but there is the charge adapter, which I assume it sits on just like so. But here we are. It's still wrapped up in its plastic. Solid aluminum housing. Got this paracord style lanyard here. You got the Wisdom branding on the bottom. You got the charge contacts, power indicator, power switch, and the fins here. Wisdom Aurora Pro, and your huge reflector. So just powering on and off is just the power button here in the middle, and of course you can increase and decrease your brightness. Whoa, whoa, that's bright. And so there we go, our first look at the Wisdom Aurora Pro. I will have to get a universal adapter for this plug in order for it to work at my household mains. But very, very excited to finally have this flashlight in my possession. I've been seeing a lot of it, and my overall thoughts are it has extremely good build quality. Best I can tell, it's got 4 3700 milliamp hour lithium ion batteries in here, probably 18650s. 4 of those, so 14,000 milliamp hours, 200,000 lux, I believe. I'll put all the specs on screen, but there we are, the brand new Wisdom Aurora Pro handheld flashlight. This will be going into a cave very, very soon, within a couple weeks. We will do a full review of this light underground, its illumination properties and everything like that. So I cannot wait. So stay tuned to the channel to see us take this in. Of course, as always, appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. and go ahead and share with your fellow cavers and friends. And we'll see you next time.